So I have a box here that Darren got for us. Let me open, or for me, let me open it up and see what we might have. Ooh, I hate doing that because when it goes down, I'm always afraid I'm cutting open a doll face or butt or something. Let's see, let me turn this around. This is a big box. Oh, wow, this is nicely, oh wow, this is nice. Oh, wow. From BlytheCon, wow, these are, now this is a goodie bag. That is a goodie bag, and look, they come in 2 colors. They come in 2 colors. How cool is that? Nothing else. All right, let me set this on the floor and let's take a look. Darren, did you want to?
Yeah, so we had a bunch of things misaligned and caused us not to be able to go to BlytheCon. It was just the right decision. And so we didn't go to BlytheCon, but we already had tickets purchased in advance. And it was too late to give them away on our channel, and we didn't know what to do. So I had posted asking, hey, is there any way so we can get the goodie bags at least, so we get a little bit of fun out of our ticket investment. And as it turns out, a gal, Missi Roeber, volunteered to coordinate grabbing the bags for us, and she had to go through a lot of trouble, and I really appreciate her sending this little surprise off for Marna and I. She managed to get the goodie bags from the folks and mailed them off. She actually came home with some, she was sick for a few days.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Missy. That is so nice. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is a nice bag. Really nice bag. Oh, you know I love the postcards. All right, BlytheCon Detroit 2025. Y'all know I want to go to that. I do not, August 3rd, 2025. I do not see a theme on there. Oh, this is really.
Well, I do. I see Detroit Motor City car on the front.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna guess that's the.
This must be, yeah, that's stickers, and I love these Blythe Happy. Let's see what we got here. This is really cute. It looks like a card rather than just a postcard. Let's pull it out and see what we got here. Oh, that's really cute. I am a huge Blythe fan. I mean, I am all in on Blythe. Right now, I've been doing a lot of Smart Doll videos, but the yen is down and I have fallen in love with Smart Dolls. I have a huge collection of Blythe. I have mostly AliExpress. I have custom dolls. I have Takara and Good Smile and Ashlyn Drake and Kinners. Oh my God, look at this. Who sent that? I don't even see a name on it.
Missy really was great.
So
she had posted on
cute.
Facebook that she was disappointed we weren't coming because she was hoping to meet us and hopefully meet her. But I told her to just take the tickets in there for herself. But evidently she went ahead and entered you.
You're kidding.
Nope, that's actually a door prize, as I understand
Missy, that is so kind. That is over the top kind. Oh man, this thing is full. I gotta tell you, this is refreshing. Oh man, what do we have here? Eyes, and I don't see a name on those. Oh, isn't this cute? That's a necklace from Donna's Crafts. Yeah. Oh, look at a little hanger. Isn't that cute? And that is from BlytheCon. Very cute. I can't get over the idea for the backpack. Now that's a nice container. Oh, it's like, how cute is that? It's oh, what do you call it? Water globe looking.
Like a snow globe.
Yeah, snow globe. That's what I couldn't think of. How cute is that? I recognize this. This will be from Jamie at Let's Talk About It. These she did for the first time at a meetup that she and I hosted in St. Louis, Missouri. I love that idea. You share a bead. Everybody gets a packet and then you share beads. Oh, I got 2 of those. Thank you, Jamie. And what do we have here? A little something in a box. Uh-oh.
Pull the string, I think it's just tied.
I tried.
Oh,
It's,
okay.
it's not. I'm going to cut it near the knot so I can reuse it. I'll put that on an outfit or something. Lace shoes. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, candy, and let's see who it's from. Little Bon Bear. Little Bon Bear, how cute. Mount Crown Madison, is that what it says? And, oh, little pair of dice, that's cute. I was going to take some. Actually, I had some bagged up to take. Those are adorable, and a candy. How cute is that for Vegas? Wait, was this in there too? I think it was. I'm not positive. Let's see. Nope, that's from, what does that say, Darren?
Amanda Simmons.
Yep, there you go. That's somebody else. Let me set this to the side. I don't want that.
Is that a hair?
Hair?
The
Oh, for the hair.
For the hair?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. These we sent 350 skirts with shoes on theme. They were either like a Star Wars print or a stars or something like that. Oh my goodness, is that adorable? That is from, oh, I got it upside down. Earth Angels. How cute is that? Oh, and she's got her little Blythe from last year on there. I love these Blythe postcards. I have a large collection of those. I love them. There is a little heart. It doesn't look like it's...
I was going to say it's another Amanda.
Yep. Very cute. And, oh, this was to put your name in. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. 2 bows on a BlytheCon from 2023. Blythe community. Your support makes it possible. It does. You know, when you go to people's YouTube channels and Instagram and anything like that, give them a like, give them a subscription or subscribe or follow or whatever you want to call it. Isn't that cute? Looks like glow-in-the-dark coin to put on a chain or something, or
Looks
even
like
a pull string.
Gambling chip.
Oh, yeah, that is cute. And that is from Peppercorn Pixie, Pink Peppercorn Pixie. Oh, there's such a cute little hanger. Really cute little hanger. And that is from Evie Mini Company. And here's a coloring page. And this is from BlytheCon. I love this hat. But it doesn't have who it's from. I wish it had who it's from. And then information. This is so fun. Should I open the other one?
You probably should.
Let's open the other one and see what we got in it. I gotta tell you, I like these backpacks. That is the best.
They evidently came in quite a few colors. There was a
Wow.
But this is what was, by the time we were able to get it all resolved and get my information to
Sure.
the show and not all that.
Sure.
There was some colors gone
Yeah.
already, but I'm happy to got anything. And
Oh,
this
here's
is a
something
great
different.
big deal.
Wow, this has a bracelet, hair clips. Oh, that says Martin and Darren. Let me set that to the side just a minute. See, this is one of the skirts we sent, kind of a sky.
Nebula.
Yeah, there you go. Here is one of those little charms. These are from Jamie. Oh, that's cute, the little keychain. That's very cute. Let's see who that's from. Fun Beads. I can't read that. Maybe you can
Pull
come.
string for Blythe and accessories.
Okay, well maybe that's their business name. And, okay, this is from Earth Angels. And then this is the same as that. And it looks like Jamie sent two in each one. That's very nice. Okay. Let's see what's in the pocket. We got another Detroit. Are these the same stickers? Yeah, looks like. Oh, again, I love these cards. Love these cards. I'd like to have every one made. And then a cute card, like the Blythe card. And looks like a sticker. And let me keep digging. This was a cute idea. You know, somebody sat down. As somebody who made 350 skirts and Darren printed shoes, you know, that took a lot of time and money. You know, we had to buy the fabric and everything. I know that this person spent a lot of time making this up. You know, that wasn't done in 10 minutes. I mean, they had more than 10 minutes in each one of these. They had to get their little container lined up and their everything lined up, and then put their little guy in there and keep him down, and then all the other stuff with it. And then they had to glue this. I mean, seriously, that took some time each. And when you multiply that by 350, you've got real time in that. How many hours did we figure out I had in?
God.
Wasn't it like 50 hours sewing? Or 40 hours sewing. It was over a week's worth, I know that. Here are some cute little bows for the hair. And again, this was from the BlytheCon. This is one of the best goodie bags I've seen in a while. Cute little stuff. These little hangers are adorable. I think somebody made these.
Yeah, those are laser cut.
Yeah. And then this was for the...
It's on my list of 3D printing adventures.
Oh, and here's more beads from Jamie. And another one of those darling little hangers. I don't know where they got those. I bet they bought those. I can't imagine they had a machine to do that. And a coin. Now, let me double check. All right, let's see who sent us this. I could guess, but I won't, because if I'm wrong, I don't want to embarrass it. But I bet I know. This is, look how cute. Oh, it looks like somebody made these. Oh, this is from Missi. Thank you, Missi. Wow, you did all this and sent us a gift? Wow. And did you make these? Did you cut all these out and make these little hair things? They're darling. Look at this cute little bracelet. I love it. I love the space guys. Oh, aren't these cute?
I don't know, but I'm guessing these are things she gave. It's real common at these BlytheCons to bring things to exchange with each other, little gifts that you make up. Marna usually has a different set. I think you had actually made some gambling themed.
Yeah, I made gambling
skirts
themed
and stuff that you were going to give away. Yeah. So.
Yeah, and I had those all ready to go. Of course, that's why I like to go, is getting to know the people and sharing and talking to. Look what Missi did. She obviously does journaling. That's beautiful. Let's see what the card says. Marna and Darren, I am sorry we did not get to meet you in person. I really enjoy your YouTube videos. Thank you so much. I am glad I could help you get your goodie bags. I've included a couple of things I gave away as well. Thank you so much, Missi. Take care, Missi. P.S. The bracelet can also be used as a headband for Blythe. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. Yeah, that's a good idea. This is a beautiful card. That's just gorgeous. If you don't do journaling, these are all layered on. This is a card that she put the black on, and this goes on top of the black, and then again this is cut separate, this is separate. Journaling takes time. This is not a 10-minute card. This took time. Missi, I cannot thank you enough. I do have to say I did miss seeing everybody. I really did. Darren and I enjoy BlytheCon so much. It just didn't work out this year, but we'll see you in Michigan, or that's the plan. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, not just to my channel, But when you go to other channels or when you're on Instagram and you see photos you like, subscribe to those people. That's what we do. That's how we support one another. Get behind one another. This is a community. If we're not encouraged to keep making videos and keep sending photos, then we won't, and our community falls apart, and then there aren't things like BlytheCon. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks, Missy.
Thanks, Missy. Okay, folks, this is an actual patch. That is an actual patch that someone took the time to iron on. Now, it could have been the manufacturer, but I'll bet somebody that put on the BlytheCon put these on, and thank you for that. These are absolutely marvelous bags.
Useful.
Very useful, and I will reuse this.